गोंयांत सध्या 27% उदक पीडब्ल्यूडीक पैसो नासतना फुकट वता. हे प्रमाण 15% सकयल हाडपाचो यत्न चल्ला म्हणून पीडब्ल्यूडी मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकार उलयला. इंडियन वॉटर वर्क्स असोसिएशनाच्या मिरामार कार्यावळीक सुदीन उलयलो. फुडल्या 2-3 वर्सांत गोंयच्यो उदकाच्यो सगळ्यो पायपलायनी बदलतले म्हणून सुदीन उलयला.
At one time, NRW was 45%, but today's position of NRW is just 27%, and in some of the parts of the, especially cities, and also in some urban developed villages, it is even less than 22%. I am proud. We will not be able to control up to what Singapore is doing, 5%, but definitely we will see that in next couple of years, our NRW will reduce to less than 15%. I would like on this issue that we have taken a long step. It may be taken up another 2 or 3 years, but all the pipelines which are AC, PVC, we want to change it to either MS, HDP or others, which will be very much effective. Because this is need of the hour.
कार्यावळीक पणजेचो आमदारूय आशिल्लो.
We need to find sustainable alternate source of supply. In fact, stormwater supply is one way of improving our water table. In fact, the second way I will see is that toilet to tap. We need to get over our phobia of using treated water from the sewage treatment plant, and perhaps promote this toilet to tap concept so that people start using it. There are countries in the world, in fact, the Singapore Prime Minister demonstrated by drinking water directly from the output of the sewage treatment plant. And that is, I think, the way forward. We have 12 MLD plant in Talegaon, and the 12 MLD water goes waste. We use it maybe perhaps for gardening, but the large quantity of water is released in our rivulet that is adjoining the sewage treatment plant. So we need to educate end users, consumers, to get over that. It's a mental block. I was in China, and they eat all types of food. They eat grasshoppers, they eat snakes, they eat alligators. But for me, the snake and the fish look similar. Both have scales, both have a bone in the middle. But we eat fish with so much taste. But somewhere that mental block is there not to eat snake. So similar way, that toilet to tap concept, we have to promote and get over our phobia.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.
दोट्टी नागरिकत्व आशिल्ल्या गोंयकारांची नांवां मतदार रोलांतल्यान काडटले जाल्यार पयलीं तांकां केंद्रान नोटीस दिवंकूच जाय. आदोगाद क्लिओफात कुतिनो उलयलो. चांदर गांवभावाच्या एकवटान दोट्टी नागरिकत्वाचेर दवरिल्ले चर्चेत तो उलयतालो. आदोगाद राधाराव म्हणटा गोंयकार हो नैसर्गिकरित्या पोर्तुगीज नागरीक. लिस्बनांत जाल्ल्या जल्मनोंद करप ही एक फॉर्मालिदाद. गोंयकार ड्युअल सिटीजन जावंक शकतात.
सर्गेस्त आदोगाद जो आंतावाच्या यादीन गांव भावाचे एकवटान आयतारा चांदर पंचायत हॉलांत दोट्टे नागरिकत्वाचेर चर्चा दवरिल्ली. कार्यावळीक पोर्तुगेज नागरिकत्वाचे फायदे आणि लुकसाण्याचेर जाणकार म्हणून आदोगाद राधाराव ग्राशियस आणि क्लिओफात कुतिनो उलयले. राधा म्हणटा ते कोतान गोंयकार हो नैसर्गिकरित्या पोर्तुगेज नागरीक, कारण पोर्तुगीजांनी गोंयाचेर राज्य केल्लें. लिस्बनान जल्म रजिस्टर करप ही गोंयकारांक एक फॉर्मालिदाद.
So I therefore feel, friends, that we are in a unique position that we go on, have the benefit of those nationality under our constitution. So I would suggest that some of you, any of you have made registration of Portuguese passport, please do not go and simply surrender your Indian passport. Let us take this as the best case. Portuguese national because we were Portuguese national. Operation Vijay doesn't change that. Let us assume that you take Modi. Prime Minister Modi, if he applies to Portugal to register his birth, they will say no, you cannot, because you are not a Portuguese national. They register our birth because they recognize us as Portuguese national.
आदोगाद क्लिओफात म्हणटा दोट्टे नागरिकत्व आशिल्ल्या गोंयकारांची नांवां मतदार रोलांच्यान काडटले जाल्यार पयलीं ताका केंद्रान नोटीस दिवंकूच जाय.
Now, in the case of the Benawali MLA Kaituri Silva, this has been accepted. This has been accepted simply because even under our law, The citizen, even under law, in our law, the Indian Citizenship Act, there are 2-3 things that happen. One is holding up a passport is proof, conclusive proof of citizenship. Registration, transcribing of birth is citizenship under their law. In the case of Kaitu, the Indian government asked the Portuguese government, is he our citizen? They said yes, he is our citizen because he has registered his birth in Portugal. He has transcribed his birth in Portugal. And that is how he is our citizen. So the question is, that is their law, and if our law accepts their law, then again you lose your citizenship. By the central government of India, by issuing a notice, just because you are holding a passport, may not mean that you have lost your citizenship. So unless a notice is issued to anybody, I am of the opinion that nobody can be removed from the electoral rolls. The notice is a must.
प्रुडेंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर सावियो डायस.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.